Your next car could be the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, four-wheel drive, keyless start, bed liner, lane keeping assist. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.